The SIM-IPE is really good for discovering devices on your industrial networks, and you can change IP addresses of Ethernet IP and Profinet-enabled devices. But on your larger networks, it can be really difficult sometimes to find the device you're looking for. So today we're going to talk about the filter options. And then to get to those, all we're going to do is press the OK button. And so we can show devices that are on the same network, another network, sort by name, or sort by address. Let's talk about how that works. If we go to Discover Device, then that will find devices out on our network. And look at right there. We see a warning that says some devices are not on the SIM-IPE network. So that means I have some device out on my network that has an IP configuration that's not what I'm expecting. And it'll continue discovering devices out there. But now I can hit the up arrow and I can simply browse through them. And if you see green here on the IP address, then that means that it is on the SIM-IPE's network. And if we scroll on up through here, we should see one. There it is. We have one that's red. Doesn't mean that there's a fault with it. It just means that the SIM-IPE and it are on two different networks. So we have our SIM-IPE configured for 192.168.20 network, and this is on one. Now, that was a lot of scrolling to find that. So a really cool feature of the SIM-IPE is the filter feature. So we're going to press the OK button to filter. First, let's go look at that one that's on another network. And now, without any scrolling, we can hit the up arrow and we would see the S7-1200, which tells us now we know what model it is. We also see the MAC address there. That's going to help us find it physically. This time, on our filters, let's go to sort by name. So in this case, I've got some compact Guard Logics PLCs. I've got some PowerFlex 525s. And okay, maybe we're trying to find where are all the PowerFlex 525s on our network. So in this case, now I can just go up to the piece. So there's a PowerFlex 525. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. All right, so now we would know we have 5 PowerFlex 525s out on our network. And we can also see the MAC address so we can find the particular one out on our network. And finally, let's say that we know an IP address, but we don't know what it is. So I've got a message coming across from 192.168.2043, but I don't know what that is. I can simply go, okay. We're going to go down. We're going to sort by address. And then we can go and find 192.168.2043. And we see that it's a 1766 L32 BWA, which is a Micrologix 1400 PLC. Click here to purchase your SIM-IPE. It's by far the fastest way to discover an IP address, and it can actually replace static IPs if the device is Ethernet IP or Profinet compliant. Here's a playlist with some other videos to show you how much time it can save you.